In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see daily P&L on Thinkorswim. If you've ever wondered exactly how much your positions are up or down for the current trading day, this is the quickest way to check it with confidence. Start by opening the Thinkorswim desktop platform. The desktop version gives you the most detailed view of your accounts and positions, and it's designed for active monitoring throughout the trading session. Once the platform loads, look along the very top for the set of main tabs. You'll see options like Trade, Analyze, and others. Click the Monitor tab. This is your command center for account activity. Everything from order status to live positions lives here. Within the Monitor tab, focus on the Position Statement section. This area lists your holdings, typically grouped by symbol or strategy, along with quantities, current prices, and various performance metrics. Think of it as a real-time snapshot of what you own and how each line item is behaving today. If you have multiple positions, you'll see them stacked here with a running total that helps you understand the bigger picture at a glance. Now, locate the column labeled PL Day. This column shows your profit or loss for each position for the current trading day. Essentially, how much that symbol has moved in dollar terms since the previous market close. Positive numbers generally appear in green to signal gains, while negative numbers appear in red to indicate losses. You'll also typically see a total PL day figure at the bottom of the position statement, which aggregates all open positions so you can quickly assess how your account is doing today overall. It's helpful to know what PL day represents. It updates intraday as market prices change and reflects both unrealized gains and losses since the prior close. If you closed a position during the day, that realized result will be reflected as well in today's figure. Keep in mind that PL day is a trading metric, not a tax or accounting statement, and it may not include all fees until trades are finalized. If markets are closed or data is delayed, the number may not move, so timing and data status matter. To recap, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform, click the Monitor tab at the top, look within the Position Statement section, and find the PL Day column. With these few steps, you'll have a clear, real-time view of how your positions are performing today, helping you make more informed decisions throughout the session.